You join us here for the last game of the season against Headley. It's been a wet build-up to the game, and it's been a wet morning, so we'll see how much cricket we actually get. But let's hope for a full 40 overs. Short ball, pulled in the air, over the fielder. Pulled, prize of catch it, over, fine leg for 4 runs. Cut away, through the field, but collected on the boundary, and they'll come back for 2, just as the heavens begin to open. Cut again. Bad footwork from the fielder out in the deep. Nicked.
I don't care, I'm number 10 and 11 back this one.
In between. Slip. Great bit of fielding to get round to it from fine leg. They will come back for 2. Cut away.
Could possibly go.
It might go.
3 there.
Andy's been forced back for 3. That's not a happy man. It has really started coming down now. Flicked for a single straight to the fielder. Ball to bring the covers on has been given. So that will suspend play for a bit, and maybe for the day. Let's hope that we can restart, but the weather forecast is not looking promising. The batsmen are coming back out now. I think we might have come off at the worst time of that rain, and we broke for about 3 minutes and we're back on already. First ball after the rain delay. Noise appeal. The Barkers says pad. High in the air, picks the gap perfectly. Cut away, running up the hill, over the Astro wickets, but not gone for 4. And Andy has been forced to run another 3. Cut hard to the fielder. Has it carried? It has. That's a very, very good catch. It was a decent innings from Andy. Not his best, but certainly not his worst. Especially on a dodgy wicket like that. Grayshott, a 41 for 1. New man at the crease is the left-handed Gary Clapham. Big things expected from him. Pulled over the field. That's high and no ball given. That's come down with snow on it. Swept away. He's picked the gap between the 2 fielders and gone for 4. Shot. Hit hard. Very, very hard. And it will run away for 4 runs. John through the fielder. Will the ball get to the rope though? It does. Big shot. That's straight towards me. And it hits the camera. Pulled away. And that will race down the hill for 4 runs. Good shot, John. Pulled away. Cries of catch it. Got to the man on the first bounce and underarmed in from the boundary. Change of umpiring now. Andy and Jim out there now. As this is looped high and slapped. What a shot. 4 runs. Bowled. It won't go up that slope. Oh, yes it will. 4 runs for John. Hit. Down the hill. Power, precision, and 4 runs. High. Tempting him. And driven just past the fielder for 4 more. That's the end of the first 20 overs of this Grayshott innings. It's gone surprisingly well considering weather conditions, and surprisingly only 1 stoppage in play. 105 for 1 is a very, very solid score considering the conditions and other factors, so let's hope we can do more of the same. Nick and gone. After drinks. Great innings from John. A couple of very, very nice shots, but eventually has to depart in the 21st over. Well batted, sir. Unlucky. Now into bat, the man on form. Misses his first ball. Heaved into the leg side, cries of catch it. Put down by square leg. Good effort though. Gone again, over the top of the field, and this is racing down for 4. Gone again, in the air, taken on about the 3rd attempt. Very, very good catch. Very entertaining innings from Clappers. A couple of very nice shots in there. Got off to a little bit of a slow start. Swept hard. Attempted drive, play and miss. House is looking uncomfortable out there. Bowl him! He never particularly looked comfortable. Done by the slow stuff. Just played round it. Unfortunate for Jamie. He'll be disappointed with that. New man at the crease, Jim. Through the gap. Quick single. Oh, they're turning back for 2. The field's missed it. I apologise. I missed that. Slapped away. Up the hill it goes. And the ball will win the race. 4 runs for Jim. There's a bit of confusion here. Jim going for the big shot. Stumping attempted, and then a little pause, and then the appeal. Big shot over the field. And it will run down the hill for 4 runs. High, man under it, taken. A couple of nice shots from Jim. Not his best performance. Definitely a step down from his 91 in the 3s last week. But pretty well batted. Once again, the rain has got a little bit heavier. And Ben's first ball driven straight to the fielder. Looped up, just out of reach of the fielder. It will run away for 4. Looped up again, smacked again, and 4 more for Ben. The drop ball, it's the stumps. Appeal, I presume, in jest. Driven, taken. What a catch! I was panning to find the ball. over the fielder, but no, somehow jumping one-handed. That is a fantastic catch. Crease's Scanners, not on strike yet, but the international player and Hampshire's over 50s star. So we expect some very, very big things from him.
Oh, that's trademark Kennedy. Punch off the back foot. Yeah, he's pushing the fielder for two. Beautiful running from, I think between them they definitely have a combined age of over 100. Here's a nice change. Left-hander. Scanners marking his guard. Probably get a pitchfork to his guard there. It's a little bit soggy. Always nice a left-hander at the crease. Complaining a tennis elbow apparently. Oh, he's not going to improve his tennis elbow by playing sweep shots for 4. Lovely. Well done. Good start, Scanners. Scanners bat up. Oh, beautiful flick off the legs. That's pure class. That's going to run down the hill, into the bushes, and 4 runs. Skipper out the way. Oh, off he goes again. Oh. And he's caught by the lad at mid-wicket. To Scanners. Some beautiful shots there. I think he'll still be bemoaning his tennis elbow, but got the impetus up and off he trots. Very, very safe play there. So as ever, the commentator is a bag of nerves watching his son take guard. Field wandering a bit. And pray for a full toss. Oh, he's almost stepped away and got bowled again. Oh, he's squeezed that away for 1. Oh, quicker ball, and that has hit him where you don't want to be hit. I heard a very hollow sound from the boundary here. Can barely see now. Barely see. Oh, that's a very, very wide ball. I do feel very sorry for the bowling side here. Oh, he's gone big. He's gone big. Oh, that's massive. Yeah, it's a maximum from Stewart. He's launched into that. Something Harry Brook would have been proud of. And Stu has just pulled that to the boundary beautifully up towards the cars. 4 runs. Next ball. Oh, it's going to have the same treatment. And it's going to run away up to the nets this time. So the maximum batting points are looking good so far in its first 2 balls. This is the 3rd ball. Oh my gosh. Ah, that's gone big. Oh, I can't even be quick enough to pan round there, but that's gone up to the pavilion for another 4. About 12 off the over. Oh, and that's gone for 4-2. So that's 16 off 4 balls. It's 50. Better mark that. He's waved his bat.
So must be what?
5 balls left.
13.
Oh, he was never catching that. That's 4 runs. Now or never. Oh, and it's bowled him. There we go. Well done. Well batted, Stu.